Today's video is going to be about repairing 2 chip tiles without replacing. So you say, in this episode, 2 chip tiles repaired without replacing. It's gonna get an episode. I don't know about the episode. Should I say episode or just new video? I don't know. Tell me in the comments below if you think I should say episode or new video. Anyway, 2 chip tiles repaired, not replaced. Tell me what you think and enjoy the video. Man, we got 2 chip tiles. That I can fix with grout. Okay, we got 2 chip tiles. I'm gonna show you how to fix maybe this one with my little trick. That one, might be out of trick repair, but I'll try. But this one has to be caulked all the way around. Okay, so same concept as yesterday. Same concept. Make a rag. See that nice and smooth. This one more time. Back to our rag. Okay, so with our trick I was telling you about, here's a thing of stain paint that we use to change color on grout lines. So take a little bit of stain and see if it works. You barely tell. You can barely tell. Can you tell there was a chip there? So let me walk you through the trick. This is paint stain. This is basically what we use to change the color of a grout line. So this comes in a small little bottle, a little tube. I poured a little bit out, put some on my finger, and I applied it where the chip was. This one got covered up with the caulk, as you can tell. But this one here, I mean, you can see where it's at. But can you when you're far away? So that's the little trick. Whenever you get a chip tile or something like that and you don't want to pay somebody, you don't want to change out the tile, whatever the case might be, just get you some stain or some paint stain and Just put a little mark on there. Do your caulking if you got a caulk around it. And there you go. I mean, can you tell where the chip was? And that was bone stain. So we'll see if it passed, and we'll finish the rest up. Well, there you have it, folks. You've seen how it's done. How you can trick the eye with stain instead of replacing a tile. Like always, thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you like, share, leave a comment, tell me to go to hell. But as always, thank you for your support.